Alright, let's talk about the count number of teams. So there are earning soldiers. So for each soldier has different unique value, and you have to satisfy three different index, and which satisfies increasing order and decreasing order. So we don't want to use uncubed method, but the problem is how do you actually solve this question to find out the different order, right? So what I will do is I pick the middle value, which is j, starting from index 1 all the way to a minus 1, right? So I have I and k pointer on my left and right side, right? And this is going to be starting from at this position for sure in the beginning. So if I find out if there's a value ARRAI, which is less than ARRAJ, I know this is what increasing order, right? Increasing order, but I also need what ARR and J less than ARR and K, right? This is increasing order, right? But one is on left side of the J and one is on the right side of the J, right? So same idea, but different order. It's going to be decreasing, right? Decreasing and right side decreasing. So now we need to find out the problem. So how do we actually keep track of total count? So once we finish the traversal, when we have a for loop on the so we have for loop for j starting from 1 all the way to a minus 1, right? And inside the for loop we have what? We have a left side traversal. So I'm going to say I equal to what? I equal to 0 and I less than j, right? And then the another for loop inside the j for loop, you are going to have a k, right? K starting from j plus 1, right? All the way to n, right? And after this, you are going to add the combination, the possible combination you will have, right? So this is pretty straightforward like a math. So this is going to be like if I have a result, so I'm going to say left side increasing order multiply right side increasing order and plus the left side decreasing order times right side decreasing order. So imagine like there's two value on the left, and definitely you are the only one value, and then there's only one value on the right, which is increasing order. Just look at it. If this is increasing order, like what is the combination group of that? This is 2, right? So basically we can get rid of this 1 because this is always 1, but on the right side could be 3 and then this could be 4, right? So the combination for the group should be 12 at this point for the left side increasing order. All right, this is pretty much the solution. So I'm going to have the int result, right? And at the end I want to return the result. I need to have a j equal to 1, j less than, and I'm going to just making sure I don't want to type so many times for this. So I have an n represent reading.length, right? And then j plus plus. So there's a reason why I need to traverse to a second last. This is because I need to keep my k index to be the last one, right? And then I need to have the left side increasing order, right? Increase equal to 0, and then left side decrease equal to 0, right side increase equal to 0, right side decrease equal to 0, right? And I do have to have the I index starting from 0, I less than j, I plus plus, right? And then I have the what? I have another for loop for k, it's k equal to j plus 1, right? You don't start with the same index with j, right? So j equal to k plus 1, k less than 1, k less than n, and then k plus plus, right? So I need to compare. So if array I is less than array j, right? This is increasing order. Left side increasing order, right? Plus plus, and anything else is going to be left side decreasing order. All right, and now if this one, if the array at j, which is less than array at k, this is going to be right side increasing order, right? Else right side decreasing order, right? And at the end, I'm going to add up everything, right? So you have to use plus equal, right? Because every single traversal you will set this equal to 0, right? And then this is going to be what? This is going to be my left side increasing order multiply the right side increasing order plus left side decreasing order times right side decreasing order, right? Left side decreasing times right side decreasing. Right, I don't have So okay. Oh my god, this is array. I mean, let's just change the name. Right. And submit. Yes, here we go. So let's talk about time and space. So for the time, this is what? This is all of n, and this is all of n, and this is all of n, right? This is separated all of n, but inside the all of n loop. So the time is going to be n squared, and this is going to be a space, should be constant. This is constant, you know. At the end, you will just system.garbage collection. So the time n squared, space constant, all of one, and this is the solution. And I'll see you next time. Bye.